Okay, so what we're looking at in this video is the Earth and its atmosphere. So the Earth is made up of 4 different layers, as we can see here. The crust is on the outside, and this is the thinnest layer, and it's mostly made of rocky material. The mantle is the next layer in. This is made of solid rock, but this solid rock can flow. It does this very slowly, and it flows through things called convection currents. So when it's heated from the centre of Earth, that hot rock then rises to the surface. As it cools, it then loses its energy, and it then drops back down to the centre again, and it keeps circulating in that pattern. So it will go from near the outer core to the surface, and it will keep circulating around as it heats and cools. The next layer in is the outer core. This is also made of liquid. This is mainly made up of elements such as iron and nickel, and then we've got the solid inner core, which is also made of iron and nickel. The closer you get to the centre of the Earth, the hotter it gets. And of course, no one's really gone down to the centre of the Earth, but we know this by studying earthquakes and materials that have been brought up from deeper down in Earth, is what's there and what it's been made up of. So that's what the Earth is made up of. If we go into a little more detail about what each part is, as I said before, Earth's crust is mainly made up of rocks. These rocks are made up of different compounds, and obviously compounds are made up of more than one element. So I've listed the 4 biggest ones here. So in the rocks in the Earth's crust, there's a lot of oxygen, which is 46.4%, silicon and aluminium. These all combine together to form different compounds and form the rocks. Going up to the Earth's atmosphere, so the atmosphere goes around the outside of the planet. Now there's lots of different layers to this, and it is made up of a mixture of gases. The layer closest to the Earth is the troposphere, and this is about 10 kilometers thick, and it's mainly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. So this is generally the air that we breathe. So there's lots of layers around the outside of the Earth's atmosphere. The closest one to the Earth's crust is called the troposphere, and there's a few more further away.